Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BRADD token, also known as BraddBrettsDad. Now Brett is a very popular base meme coin. It was named after, it's an homage to the very popular Matt Fury character Brett, who is in the Boys Club along with Pepe and Andy and Landwolf and Bird Dog, etc. I just did a video a couple days ago on Bolt, which is Brett's dog, I believe, and Bolt, which is Brett's cat. And earlier today, I did a video on Brute, which is Brett's brother. There's another one that's Brett's baby. Brit is Brett's girlfriend. There's all sorts of family member tokens coming out right now. It's definitely a trend. This one's almost at $1 million market cap right now, doing very well. So we're going to go over the information on the BRADD token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can check out their Twitter, and Brad is spelled with 2 D's, by the way, like in the title of the video. You can check out their Twitter or their X.com here at BraddBrettsDad. 55 tweets so far, blue verified check mark. It says Brad, the father of famous Brett. And has a link to their webpage right there, has a link to their Telegram, and the contract address right there. So all the links you need for this token is on the Twitter right there. And their Twitter just joined in June 2024. That's how brand new this project is. You can see very active on the socials with 55 tweets already and 420 Twitter followers. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, all you would have to do is fund your Coinbase wallet or Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with ETH, bridge that ETH to Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address right there on the Twitter, you would trade your base for the BRADD token. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll have a look at that in a second there. Their webpage is BraddBrettsDad.meme. And their pin tweet, they're having a meme contest. They just started that 6 hours ago, it says here. If you scroll down to the tweet underneath that, has all the links along with a deck screener link where you can see the chart. You can also find the link to this token on Dex Tool, or you can also find the chart, the price, all that type of statistics, all the numbers are on Dex Tools or Dex Screener. If you go to their webpage, they have a Buy Now button that will take you to a different page called Base Jump. You could use that if you want, I guess. But they also have a link to Uniswap, their Base Scan, Dex Tools, Socials, Tokenomics. So Brad is the father of the king of base meme coins, aka Brett. He taught Brett that education is everything and that he wanted to achieve everything in life he could. Brad is the most magnificent and magical man in Brett's life. He is and always has been Brett's biggest supporter and most incredible source of inspiration. Now Brad has joined the Base Network to show an old-timer that he still has what it takes. So, token supply, 1 billion tokens. It says 0% buy and sell tax, so you won't have to worry about slippage. If you didn't understand how I explained how to buy the token, there is a step-by-step how to buy the token on their webpage. They even have an embedded chart on their webpage as well. They have a contact email, dev@BraddBrettsDad.meme if you need to reach out to the dev. Now their Telegram has 1,115 members. 360 of them are online, so that's a great place to join the discussion, talk to other community members about the token, see what they think about the token. Right now they have 1,336 holders. 18 decimal places are on this token. They're up 109% right now. Almost at $1 million market cap. Right now their market cap is $996,000. Token price is around 1/10, 1/8 of a penny, around there. And they have $135,000 in liquidity in Uniswap. And according to Dex Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. They're trending number 23 right now on Dex Screener. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of almost $1 million as well. $947,000 24-hour trading volume. And they have here, so the pair, this token is brand new. The pair was just created on Uniswap 3 days ago. And they have a quick audit by Go Plus Security on Dex Screener. And it says no taxes, tax is not modifiable, no hidden owner. It's open source, no honeypot, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, no blacklisting, no whitelisting. Basically, there's even more on there, but basically it is all good check marks on their quick audit. Same with their quick Intel security audit, all good check marks there. They almost got a perfect score on Token Sniffer. They have 95 out of 100 on Token Sniffer, so just be aware it is not a perfect score, so definitely review that Token Sniffer audit because it's not perfect. And also on Dex Tools, there's not a perfect audit either, so let's check this out. There is 2 alerts, it says, on Dex Tools. So sometimes they have conflicts for some reason, I don't know why. Yeah, so it's a conflict here. So Go Plus Security says no external call risk on Dex Tools, but for some reason, Quick Intel Security says there is an external call risk. And then it says other risks on their Quick Intel audit. So just be aware, 95 out of 100, it's not perfect on Token Sniffer, and those 2 quick audits have small warnings on there. So make sure you do your own research thoroughly before investing in this token. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And if you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button. And thank you to all the members who have hit that join button and are supporting this channel right now. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.